For the most part, St. Anselm's work Proslogion is famous because of the proof for God's existence that begins the work. This argument might be referred to as the greatness argument, though most philosophers refer to it as the ontological argument. Anselm does address several other issues in this work related to God's existence and attempts to resolve them using his greatness argument as the basis. These issues are whether God is the creator of everything, whether God can perceive even though he has no body, whether God can be called omnipotent even though there are some things he is said not to be able to do, how God is both merciful and impassible, how a perfectly just being can show mercy to the wicked, how God alone is unbounded by space and time, even though some spirits are said to be unbounded as well, how and why God is both seen and not seen by those who seek him. These are all interesting questions, and we will consider some of them, but we will have to pick and choose in order to get to Gaunilo's objection to Anselm's greatness argument. Since we will be looking at the greatness argument in detail in class, I will not prepare a podcast for it. Also, we will be looking closely at Gaunilo's objection and Anselm's reply, so this too will not be covered in a podcast. But there is one resource that we do need to have in hand in order to understand Anselm's argument, and this is what is called the reductio ad absurdum, which will be the topic of the next podcast.